situated.
We've been helping at a house spay and neuter all their dogs, and they had one kitten in the cabinet, and these three got brought in by another cat through their dryer vent, which they don't have a dryer anymore, so it's just
the hole that they...
Yeah, and the dogs were gonna kill them.
So we had to bring them. The 3 female cats on the property have appointments set up for this coming week, so we'll get them spayed.
He was the feisty one at first.
Yeah, but then once he realized that we meant food.
That was so sweet. Gotta get all these fleas off, bud. Oh yeah, his name's Henry. Libby.
Oh, this is Henry?
Harry Henry.
You are a very hairy Henry. He's gonna be really cute. They're all boys.
Ew. It's okay. Now we're going in. All this wheels on. All this blood. And here's the third one. Look at that.
Sponsor your job on Indeed. Get matched with quality candidates you need to post. Visit Indeed.com/iron.
The all-new Identity Trader Plus. Your preferred tools, customized charts, and streaming data, so you can start a trade idea on one device and execute it on another. The most powerful trading platform yet.
Yeah, baby. Good